Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe appearing on state television last month at a celebration of National Heroes Day.
Today I repeat the wartime slogan which motivated us to share burdens of the struggle. Iwe neni tinebasa.
The destruction of shanty towns and also the stalls of market vendors across the country has directly affected an estimated 700,000 people. But in his address, President Mugabe proudly describes Operation Clean Up the Trash as a form of progressive urban planning.
We could not have allowed such settlements to go on any longer, together with the illegal activities which thrived on such environments. We acted decisively, but always mindful that the chief end was to accommodate displaced persons by providing them with better shelter, which is what is happening now. Government